Well, hello there. Welcome to this exciting tutorial series on full stack web development with React.js, Redux, and DenoJS. In this series, we will be learning a lot of new stuff and it's going to be awesome. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's see what all we will be learning in this series. First, we will be using React.js for making the front-end part of the application. Second, as React uses states, we will be using Redux to manage those states. Do not worry, we will be covering all this in this series. Third, DenoJS will be used to create the backend part of the application. Fourth, we will be learning how to use JWTs for authentication of users. Database store will be our MongoDB. Password encryption will be implemented to encrypt all the passwords. For this tutorial series, we will be creating a to-do application. It won't be a simple to-do app, rather a full-fledged application with login and sign-up pages. I know you all might be wondering why login and sign-up pages are required. The main aim of the tutorial is to teach you how a real-world application is made and how authentication of user password hashing are implemented. So the best way is to implement it by using login and sign-up pages. The frontend for this application will be made in React.js. It is one of the most popular and powerful framework for creating websites. Personally, it is my favorite. As part of frontend, we will be focusing on following parts. First is the login page. Second, sign up page. Third, the to-do page. Fourth, the validation of all the data. And fifth, Redux. Redux will be used for state management in React. The backend will be made in DenoJS, which is a better version of Node.js. As part of backend, we will have the following tasks to do. Create a login API, create a sign up API, create a few to-do APIs, authentication of the user, and encryption for passwords. To follow along the tutorial series, a basic knowledge of TypeScript, React.js, Redux, DenoJS is required. Also, a basic knowledge about what an API is and how to create an API is required. Even though you do not know any of the above, do not worry. You can still follow along the tutorial as we will be covering a little bit basics of all of the above. But still, we won't be covering them in depth. First, we will start with the backend as we can test our APIs using Postman. Then, we will implement the verification and authentication part. Once the backend is working, we'll create a basic version of application in React.js. And then we'll add a state management using Redux. We will start creating our backend from next video. So stay tuned and follow along this tutorial series to learn how to make a production level application. Do like my video, subscribe to my channel to get notified for upcoming videos in this series. See you in the next video.